Ever feel like you're drowning in a sea of fonts and colors every time you open up Excel?
Yeah, I know exactly what you mean.
Today, we're diving deep into something that I think can really help us all out.
Oh, definitely a lifesaver.
The Clear All formatting shortcut
Hmm.
in Excel.
Good one to know.
It's more than just a quick fix. It's like a key to understanding how this whole formatting thing really works in Excel.
That's true.
Like, why does it get so messy in the first place?
Well, it's kind of fascinating, actually.
Okay, lay it on me.
You know how different programs handle data? Like, think about it.
Yeah.
You copy something from a website with all its own styles.
Like embedded styles.
Exactly. Or maybe from an old spreadsheet.
Right,
Yeah.
different defaults.
Yeah. And then
Oh,
suddenly,
great.
boom, your clean workbook looks like a formatting graveyard.
Oh, it is the worst.
It is.
I feel so seen right now.
Yeah.
I thought it was just me being messy.
Nope.
Turns out it's a software showdown happening in my spreadsheet.
Pretty much.
So is this shortcut really the hero we need?
Absolutely it is.
Tell me more.
This clear all formatting shortcut.
Oh.
It's like hitting a reset button.
I like the sound of that.
It strips away all that inherited chaos
Yes, please.
and just brings everything back to the default cell style.
Default cell style.
Yeah.
What's that all about?
Oh, good question.
Fill me in.
So every cell in Excel
Yeah.
has this underlying style that dictates how it looks.
Oh,
You don't see it unless you go looking for it.
right.
But it's there in the background controlling the font, the size, the color, the number formatting.
Wow, the whole 9 yards.
And more.
Very fair.
So when you paste data in,
Like from somewhere else.
yeah, it often brings its own conflicting styles.
That's the problem.
And that creates that visual jumble.
Yeah.
So this shortcut instantly reverts everything back to that baseline style.
So it's like wiping the slate clean
Exactly.
and letting Excel take over with its own.
House style, you could say that.
I like that Excel's house style.
And you know what's even cooler?
What's that?
You can actually modify that default style
Oh, really?
to fit your own preferences.
Interesting.
That way, even after clearing the formatting,
Mm-hmm.
your data will already have that consistent look that you want.
Now we're talking.
Yeah.
I'm sold.
Good.
Let's get practical.
Okay.
How do we use this magical shortcut?
Oh, it's surprisingly simple.
Okay.
Select the cells you want to clear,
First step.
then press and hold the Alt key.
Got it.
Then tap the H key,
Okay.
followed by the E key,
H-E.
and finally the F key.
F.
Bam.
We'll like it.
All that extraneous formatting disappears.
Gone.
It's like that.
Alt-H-E-F.
You got it.
I got it.
Perfect.
But what if I don't want to nuke everything? Like sometimes
Boy.
I just want to get rid of like those obnoxious borders.
I feel you on that one.
Yeah, but keep the font style. You know,
That makes sense.
is that possible?
Oh, yeah. Excel has you covered there, too.
Okay.
Don't worry.
Okay, tell me more.
So there's this clear menu on the Home tab.
Uh-huh.
Gives you more control.
I like control.
Yeah, you can selectively clear just formats or contents or even specific elements
Oh, wow.
like borders,
Okay,
fill colors,
I see.
or even hyperlinks.
That's amazing.
It's a good one to know.
I love having options.
Sure.
This is like a whole toolbox for fine-tuning my formatting cleanup.
Yep.
I'm telling you, this is starting to feel like a secret weapon.
I know, right?
I can't tell you how many times I've wasted so much time trying to manually fix these things.
I've been there for sure.
Oh, have you?
Oh, yeah. I remember this one time.
What happened?
I was working on this huge financial report
Oh, no.
with data pulled from all these different sources.
That sounds messy.
Oh, it was a formatting nightmare.
I can imagine.
This shortcut
Yeah.
saved me hours of tedious work.
I bet.
Oh,
Okay, so
oh.
this shortcut is clearly a winner.
It is.
But are there any times when it doesn't work as expected?
That's a good question.
I had to ask.
It's worth noting
Okay.
that if the cells you're trying to clear have custom styles applied.
Like styles that aren't just the basic Excel defaults.
Exactly. The shortcut might not fully remove everything.
Oh, interesting.
So you might need to delve into that clear menu for those situations.
Ah, good to know.
Yeah,
So we've got our time-saving shortcut.
we do.
We even know how to handle those tricky custom styles.
That's right.
What does this all mean for our listeners?
Well, this one simple shortcut
Yeah,
can just dramatically streamline your workflow in Excel.
that's what I like to hear.
But even more importantly,
What?
it highlights how understanding those underlying concepts,
Like cell styles.
yeah, can give you even greater control over your data.
And its presentation.
Exactly. Don't be afraid to explore.
I love that.
Yeah.
So to everyone listening, here's a thought
Okay.
to chew on.
I like it.
What other repetitive tasks in your Excel life
Ooh, good one.
are just begging for a shortcut? Start
Yes,
paying attention to those little frustrations. It might lead you to some incredible time-saving tricks.
for sure.
Happy formatting, everybody.
Thanks for listening.